All right, let me start with something interesting. Today we're talking about something we all have to do, but it can feel really, really hard sometimes. We're talking about small talk at work.
Oh, yes, small talk. It's a huge topic, and I'm really excited to talk about this. It's so important.
It is, and we want to help you make it easier. Subscribe for a short English conversation every day. Okay, so Victor, my first question is, why? Why do we even need small talk?
That's the perfect place to start. It's all about building relationships, you know? You see your colleagues, your coworkers every single day.
Every day.
Right, and small talk helps make the office a friendlier place. It's about creating a positive atmosphere. When you say hello, ask a simple question, it shows you care. It makes people feel seen.
Okay, so it's more than just being polite. It's about connection.
Exactly. It's totally about connection. And think about it. When you have a good relationship with your coworkers, teamwork is easier.
Oh, that's a good point.
Yeah, it builds trust. If you need help with a project, it's much easier to ask someone you've chatted with about their weekend than a complete stranger, right?
Right. Well, I never really thought about it like that. It's like a small investment in a better workday.
That's the perfect way to say it. A small investment. And it doesn't have to be a long conversation. Just 1 or 2 minutes is totally fine.
Okay. That makes me feel a little better, but here's the big problem for me. What do you talk about? Like, what are the safe topics?
Great question. Let's make a list. The number one easiest, best topic is the weekend, always.
The weekend.
Yes, on Monday you ask, how was your weekend? Or did you do anything fun over the weekend? And on Friday you can say, have any plans for the weekend? It's simple, it's friendly, and everyone has a weekend.
Okay, that's true. I can do that. That feels manageable. What else? What if it's Wednesday?
Another great topic is food or drinks, like coffee or tea. You can say, ooh, that coffee smells good. Or, did you try the new cafe downstairs?
Oh, food. Yes, I can always talk about food. That's a really good one.
It's universal. Everyone eats. You can also talk about TV shows or movies, something popular. You could ask, have you seen that new show on Netflix? It's light, it's fun.
Uh-huh. So weekend, food, TV shows. What about hobbies? Is that okay?
Yes, absolutely. Hobbies are great. If you know someone likes hiking, you can ask them about it. But be careful. Start with general topics first. Weekend, food, TV shows, they're the safest.
Okay, that's a very helpful list. Now, this makes me think, what should you not talk about? What are the topics to avoid?
Yes, this is maybe the most important part. Some topics can cause problems.
Like what? Tell me everything.
Okay, number one, money. Never ever ask how much money someone makes or talk about your salary. It's considered very private.
Right, no money talk. Got it.
Number two, politics and religion. These topics are very personal, and people have very strong opinions. It's easy to start an argument. You want to keep work a peaceful place.
Yeah, that makes total sense. So, no money, politics, or religion. Anything else?
I would also avoid complaining too much, like complaining about your boss or another coworker or a big project. A little bit is okay, like, wow, I have so much work today. But a lot of complaining is negative.
Keep it positive.
Exactly. The goal of small talk is to be light and friendly. Also, avoid very personal health problems or relationship problems. It can make people feel uncomfortable.
Okay, this is so clear. Safe topics are things everyone can talk about, like weekends, and topics to avoid are things that are too private or too serious.
You've got it. That's the main idea. Keep it light, keep it positive.
So, I have one last question, and it's a really important one for me.
Okay, what is it?
How do you end the conversation? Sometimes I feel trapped. I don't know how to leave without being rude.
Ah, the exit strategy. It's a skill, a very important skill. It's actually really simple. You just need a polite exit line.
An exit line? Like what? Give me some examples, please.
Okay, the classic one is, well, I should get back to work. It's perfect, it's polite, and it gives a clear reason for ending the chat.
I should get back to work. Oh, that is good. It's so simple.
It was great chatting with you. You say it with a smile, and then you can turn back to your computer. It signals the end.
Aha, so you say something positive first. It was great chatting. I like that.
Yes, or if you're getting coffee, you can say, all right, I'd better get this back to my desk. And if you really need to go, you can always say, oops, I have to run to a meeting.
These are all so good. I was always so worried about sounding rude, but these just sound normal, professional.
They're totally normal. The key is to smile and be friendly when you say it. The conversation was good, but now it's time to work. Everyone understands that.
Wow, Victor, this was so useful. So, just to review, small talk is important for building good relationships at work.
That's right.
And you should start with safe topics like the weekend, food, or TV shows. Avoid topics like money, politics, and religion. And to finish, use a polite exit line.
You got it. It's just practice. And it really does get easier the more you do it, the more natural it feels.
I feel so much more confident now. We post a new episode every day, so subscribe and practice with us.
Absolutely. Practice is key.
That's all the time we have for today on the Serena English Podcast. We post a new episode every day, so subscribe and practice with us. Thanks for listening.
Bye, everyone. Happy chatting.